总统 Donald Trump 进前啊，伊讲伊无排除啊，用武力去取得 Greenland。不过今仔日伫演讲的时阵，伊讲的讲法佫无共啊。伊讲啊，伊绝对袂去动武。所以是毋是有啥物交换条件，互伊讲的立场变甲较软呢？即摆情形看起来，有可能甲 NATO 的秘书长建立一个 Greenland 的即个协议的空格啊。所以包括有可能增加美军伫当地即个基地，或者是开采当地矿产，这拢是有可能的方式。
真侪美国共和党议员为一块个人来献装，顶面说是美国国旗花草的金两哥，什么表达的意思，免讲拢知知。美国总统川普伫咧达沃斯论坛演讲时，嘛重申得到个人蓝岛的重要性，不过态度甲进前比，差甲济。
It's the United States alone that can protect this giant mass of land, but I won't do that. I don't have to use force. I don't want to use force. I won't use force.
进前就捌讲过，可能开战来占领个人蓝岛，即马是强调袂开战。外界对川普形容改变想法拢习惯啊，不过到底是什么原因呢
？Trump wrote on Truth Social today, quote, based upon a very productive meeting that I have had with the Secretary General of NATO, Mark Rutte, we have formed the framework of a future deal with respect to Greenland.
Will include a renegotiation of the 1951 treaty between the United States and Denmark that allowed for a U.S. military presence in Greenland in perpetuity.
消息人士讲，川普讲的个人兰相关协议，可能包括个人兰挂地予美军去基地。川普家己的普文嘛讲，当伫咧讨论予美国金融防空系统部署伫咧个人。
It's the ultimate long-term deal, and I think it puts everybody in a really good position, especially as it pertains to security and minerals and everything else.
How long would the deal be, Mr. President?
Infinite.
A deal of ownership, a deal.
Well, it's a little bit complex, but we'll explain it down the line.
Are mineral rights involved? Is ownership involved? Did the Golden Dome sway people?
I don't want to say yet.
如今川普无动武力，嘛放下关税大刀，对欧洲国家来讲，拢透一口气。干那这个国家无代无志，倒来个着枪。
I'm helping NATO, and I've until the last few days when I told them about Iceland, they loved me. They called me Daddy.
川普伫咧达沃斯论坛，真在摆上个人兰讲做是冰岛，随后真侪网友拢来做笑开刀来解考试。
Hello， 我是蒋欣梅，想要抢先掌握最及时的新闻资讯吗？赶快订阅、按赞、开启小铃铛，锁定华视新闻 YouTube 频道。